Let's tie one crazy productive fly, the Frenchie. Start by taking your thread and wrapping behind the bead. Add some lead wire and helicopter free. Wrap all the way to the start of your hook bend, create a small dam, and grab some pheasant tail. Take a few loose wraps and then some tight ones. Wrap all the way back up to your bead. Grab about 5 or 6 fibers of pheasant tail and wrap that in about the midpoint. Then take your thread all the way up to your bead, snip free. Now carefully wrap in the opposite direction of your thread, making sure all the fibers touch. Tie off in front of and behind. Now take our brassy wire and wrap in the opposite direction we did with our pheasant tail, making sure to tie off in front of and behind, then helicopter free. Now take your favorite color dubbing. I'm using UV pink here. Peacock and rainbow are also popular. Create a nice dubbing noodle and wrap that behind the bead. Whip finish to build up a hot spot. And you're done. You've tied the Frenchie.